with regards to why it happened and how what was in our mind, I would say one thing that if your dreams are strong, I don't think any facts will count anywhere. So joining Evo was with a particular strong motive which was in my mind, and people who are with me today, people who are going to be added in the team as well. I will ensure, and my mentors will ensure, my seniors will ensure that we all grow together. And there is nothing as not growing together because the system is made in such a way that every single person gets equal support in this. So, yes, I think if I go to give a technical answer to this, a practical answer to this, it was a contact list which helped me. I made the top contact list where I should approach. And by the grace of God, there are a lot of people who have faith in me, who didn't really ask me twice before entering the business. So that's another additional point which was there. And we are going to be gold in the next one day. That's what is the goal at the moment. So we are falling short of some BVs, which is, I think, 2000 BV, which will be completed soon, 2000, 3000 BV. So that's the goal at the moment. And a small message for my team who are from Goa, Rajasthan, Delhi is warm up is over. It's time to do the main game, and we are looking forward to having a blast across India. And blast means it's really gonna be huge. So that's the main thing what I'm looking at right now. And I will need each one of your support, whoever is with me here, so that we could grow big. Plus, this management. I'm so sorry I'm taking longer time, Ashwin sir, but I would have to talk about the management, everyone. That
Please, please.
the management.
It's house is open for you.
Okay, the management is it's designed in a very beautiful way. I think the entire system is designed in a very beautiful way. Uh, I would say my last 10 days experience, we built a team more than 60, 70 people now. Uh, and I think the amount of earning what I had was crossing a lakh, 1,20,000 approximately after paying the taxes, which is good, which is commendable. I already make enough money, similar money at another business, but I would say this particular business I had fun because I feel this is what I exactly want to do more. So I'm looking at exploring more on this, and I'm sure the coming payouts will be really huge, and that's what I'm looking forward for my team as well. So that's about it from my side, and Goa is ready, and entire India is ready. Basically, entire North India is ready. As we're gonna be heading North India, we are ready. So that is all from my side, and all the best to all of you. Whoever has joined now, whoever is looking forward to grow, that's all from my side. Over to you, Ashwin sir.
Thank you, Dave. Awesome. Something, really, I'm not getting words to explain what you have done.
I
We
think
know
I
that.
would like to add one more point which I really wanted to add was with regards to the working habits. Uh, in general today, just an advice for people who are with me, who are not with me, who are from other team, for everyone. Just remember one thing: whenever you're working, you work you work twice a week. In practical reason, any individual works 2 days a week, which means 8 days a month. Remaining days we are just wasting our time. So 8 days a month multiply by 12 months in a year, which is 96 days. So technically, any individual who is looking at a 1 year progress, it can be achieved in 96 days of continuous effort. That is what I follow. Is if you are looking for growth in that 96 days, give your best. You're free for the next 9 months because eventually any individual works for only 96 days in a year. I'm talking about that hardcore working. Today, if I tell someone to work, they would probably work for 1 or 2 days, and then they're gonna be. It's like a soda bottle, it just goes up and then comes down. So that peak what is there is just for 2 days in a week. So I would request everyone, if you all don't want to waste the whole year, you put the same efforts, whatever you've been putting on those 2 days throughout the 90 days. That is the next 3 months. The result you will see will be commendable. You will not believe that what kind of result you have made. So that's the advice what I would give for people who have recently joined. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. Wonderful, wonderful experience. It was something really, inspirational for those who wants to do something in life, not only in the field of network marketing. Uh, commendable achievement. 10 ദിവസം കൊണ്ട്, I'm just changing the language so that
Mhm.
those who are here also can understand. 10
Ashwant,
ദിവസം
Ashwant,
കൊണ്ട്.
sorry to interrupt here, Kiran here. So, sorry, first of
Kiran,
all, congrats to Dave and his team for closing 50 plus international IDs. So, just an advice, Dave, from you. How was it possible to close so many international IDs within a
Okay.
span of 3 days?
I think I would go with one thing first is it's we what counts the first thing. So understand one thing. If you as an individual you think that closing international IDs are difficult, that's the first mistake we make. To be very honest, today network marketing has become so mainstream everywhere. People are joining for free. People are joining for 2,000. People are joining for 3,000, which has made, which has lost its charm basically. There are a lot of companies you will see around you whose joinings are 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. And that's actually a professional way of doing the business. So what we did here is, first thing we understood that 20,000 is not a big amount to start a business. Once you believe it, people will start accepting the same thing. Number two, because it has to be believed from your side first. The same vibe will go to others when you meet someone. If you're meeting someone thinking 20,000 ka lega ye, will he buy for 20K? It is not going to be that way. You have to believe first. 20 is nothing. You know what? You'll be shocked to hear I have sold 4 tripods at a 60,000 rupees ID. So there's nothing big in that. What needs to be done here is you have to believe first. Now, when you talk about selling, you have to understand one thing. What are we offering in that 20,000 rupees? First and foremost thing, we are letting them buy the products here, which means the commitment is over right there. You pay and you get the amount. Let's take an example. You must have made any kind of a sale anywhere in a supermarket or somewhere else. Maybe it could be of 5,000 rupees, and you must have had repeated sales 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, which sums up to 20-25K. But did they give an opportunity of working there? I think the answer is no.
Yeah.
Here in this business, we need to understand the Indian population is divided into three parts: manufacturers, then you have distributors, and then you have consumers.
Okay.
Manufacturers, you need a lot of money to start becoming a manufacturer, which is 1% of the population, which will probably be there. Anything you take an example. As a matter of fact, let's take an example of chili powder, Everest. You can't put an entire manufacturing plant by yourself. So you need a huge amount of funds. So that's why there's a very less amount of people staying in that top chart. Number two is distributors. Now, again, to be a distributor, you need to have 20, 30 lakhs coming in your hand so you could store things in your godown, deliver to the wholesalers, and then you have consumers. So I would I would divide this into three parts: 1%, 9%, which is 10%, and remaining 90 is the consumer. So if 90% of consumer are paying for distributor and manufacturer's income, that's the whole logic behind network marketing. Network marketing is one industry which lets the consumers become a distributor. So, in short, you are getting an opportunity of doing the same thing what distributors does without investing anything. So when people hear these things, right, they're able to relate to it because they want to do business, but they don't have funds in their hand. That is the whole logic behind network marketing here. So first, I would say back to basics. What is the reason behind doing network marketing? What kind of opportunity we are providing? And I try to use my key points of having international ID with 20,000 rupees, having the ceiling limit up to 40,000 rupees a day, plus 80,000 rupees, 40 plus 40, that's 80,000 rupees with including the buy. So there are a lot of things to talk actually.
Dave,
And when you
sorry to
talk about,
interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. If at all we may, this is a not paid session of Zoom, so we might finish. We will have to log in again if we are continuing. I hope we are continuing. I think many are having questions. So if at all it get
yeah,
disconnected, please relog in and then let's have, because less than 1 minute we might everyone will get logged off. So let's log in
Okay.
again after this because some very important points which Dave is sharing, and many people are
Okay.
excited to hear that also. So let's relog in. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Dave, you can continue. Sorry for the
All right.
interruption, people.
No, no problem. No problem. So, uh, so as I spoke about the first thing, if we are looking at selling something, we got to believe in that first. So our first priority it has to be that we understand that selling 20,000 rupees account is not a big deal. That is the main thing. Number two, understand what are the things we are offering with that 20,000 rupees. They are getting a lifelong opportunity of working as a business person with us. Number two, whenever a person is putting in their money with us, my first priority has always been earn and give it back to them, the recovery part. And I would say we are really blessed to have Million Club bonanzas and bonuses, which is crazy, I would say, which has been giving immense amount of profit. In last 10 days, I made about 80,000, 75,000 rupees on that. Like, it's crazy. And to be very honest, if I would have joined on 1st of March, then I would have made nothing less than 5 lakhs for sure. Because there are opportunities where you can do so much with the same opportunity if you capitalize it. So once you have a focus of achieving a goal of selling 20K, once you believe in that, you will go ahead for it. Now, when it comes to convincing someone, I think convincing comes in play when you have a doubt in your product. You have to first and foremost think focus what you are selling. Are you convinced? Yes. If you're convinced, everything else is gonna be easier for you. So as I spoke about the opportunity for a person, today if someone else is joining with me, the first and foremost thing I say that you're getting the possibility of doing the business with me. Number two, there are different kinds of incomes you can get from here. And I talk about how our binary income is. I talk about how Evo Club bonuses. I talk about how Million Club bonuses. So these are the major things that comes in play. Once these things are covered, if at all example, now we did sell one or two 5,000 rupees plans. It's just to activate their accounts. I have always focused on one thing that if you are looking at making money, why don't you go out with the best ID what we are giving you? That is 20K. And there will be seriousness also when you're working. Imagine 5,000, you will just be like, okay, I just paid 5,000. I got some shampoo and everything, and I'm done. Business is not like that. If I get an opportunity, I'll make that joining amount 2 lakhs. At least people will be serious about working and recovering that money. So I would always focus on that the amount what is invested, that creates seriousness in people's mind. That's the best way of doing the closings, I would say. And there's a huge opportunity. I talk about how it is just the beginning. And we all know one thing. If I talk about a few network marketing companies here, there has been many which has been from a different country. And we know one thing, the products what they are offering us are A plus. I would say it's crazy. It's very good. The products are amazing, but it's overpriced for the Indian market. Now, if a company has come from you, example is Amway. It has come from US. Now, those kind of company being in India, the prices are gonna be too much for us to handle. Now, that's the reason there are some places there were loopholes. People wouldn't really go ahead and do the business. Then came our companies, which is made in India, which is focusing on the pricing which is feasible for Indians basically. So these small things are your key points to take it to the closing point. And one more thing, if you're closing a deal, you listen to yes or no right there. I don't give them a chance to think. You tell me now. If you're joining, yes. If you're not joining, tell me no. Always remember, and if a person is saying no to you, remember you are not asking, you are giving. It's an opportunity what you're providing. This is called asking. Baba, join me. That's not the way. If you've heard about this term, it says leaders invite them on a journey, right? It's all about
Exactly.
inviting. You're not requesting anyone. So if you're joining with me,
Just saying that I have that problem, this problem, and I'll not be able to join. We try to convince in different ways, make them understand, but they still
yeah,
argue on the same thing, saying that You have
No,
too much
okay,
of
Kiran,
okay,
why
problems.
don't you, Kiran, why don't you show your face, so that Dave can also see you.
Okay, great. One sec.
Terminator rocks.
Yeah, exactly. Give me one
Kiran
sec.
is from Bangalore. Sorry, Praveen. His nickname. He's actually Praveen from Bangalore, IT specialist.
Wow. So I'm sure he knows Kannada.
Sorry.
Yeah, I am. Yeah,
Kannada?
yeah, I
I
know
don't know.
Kannada.
I just asked.
I'm not so good
All right.
looking. Yeah, I've been
Okay.
working continuously. Yeah, yeah. Here it goes. Hey, hi everyone.
What's up? You look good. What's
Nothing.
wrong in that? Amazing. So
Great.
you said, okay, let's play it in your way. Let's say you are a customer. What is the feedback you get? Tell me. This is Terminator rocks.
Yeah.
Tell me.
So they always say that I have so much of commitments. I do have family problems or financial problems.
Okay. So let's talk about their commitment first things here. Let make them understand one thing. Okay, let's say I'm talking to you. So my question to you is, what are your commitment related to? Money or time?
Yeah, time and money both.
Time and money both. So majorly everything comes down to money. I don't know if you know this, but you should know one thing in your mind. Money is like Dettol, killing 99.9% problems,
Sure.
right? That is germs.
Yeah.
So we have to get them one small thing here. If your problem is money, why are you trying to refrain from an opportunity which will help you make money? That's the easiest way of doing things. You have to make them realize this is not a liability for them. This is an opportunity for them. It will be a different thing when they are putting in their money here and then resting at home. That's secondary. You understand? And I'll tell you one more major thing which I really look forward to whenever I join someone or whenever someone else is joining me. One major thing, which question is always in the mind. My question would be, why should I join you? Today, let's say I'm available. I would like to move under you with 2,000 people. For an example, my simple question is, why should I join you? You have to think.
So yeah,
So that's the whole point. We got to work on ourselves first. The progress comes from here. Once we
exactly.
have
Right.
progress in ourselves, that can be anything. I'm not saying you that you start blowing off money everywhere, but it has to be shown because people, when they are putting in their time with you, when they're putting in their money, when they're putting in their energy, they want it to be utilized well. They should understand that you're worthy of their time. So I would say investing in ourselves, the personality we carry, the grooming what we have, these are basic ethics which we should have while doing the business. Because we all know that if you look appealing, if you have a good personality, everything else comes down to the nil part and they want to discuss further. They want to know more. And that is what closes the deal. So that's one
Right.
advice which I would give. It's for everyone to understand that people, and every time people question you why. So you have to understand how are you making a change in someone's life. Example, if I'm meeting you and I'm looking forward to join you as a distributor here, I have to think how am I making things easier for you? Am I really a liability for you? Am I really gonna be adding up more stress to your life? If the answer is yes, then I think you should not approach anyone. But if your answer is no, I can pull this guy from here because I have done it to myself. So it's like practicing what we are preaching. So if we have done things to yourself, if you're seeing the growth, it all will make sense. Because see, what happens is why this how this particular thing is required. You will feel genuine while talking. I'll just talk about a small story here. So olden times there was a small family and they were very close to Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi ji was sitting into that hut, whatever, and that family, major, there was a small kid, and he used to eat sugar, मीठा, every time. तो उससे क्या होता था? उसका दांत टूट रहा था. So what
Sure.
parents did is, and they knew that the kid respects Mahatma Gandhi so much that जो वो बोलेगा वो सुनेगा. What
Sure.
he did is what parents did is they took the kid to Mahatma Gandhi ji and they said, Gandhi ji, आप इसको समझाओ, make him understand that whatever he's doing is wrong. So Gandhi ji said, एक काम करो, 2 दिन के बाद आना, come after 2 days. So he said, okay. They felt weird and they went back. After 2 days back, the parents came along with the kid to Mahatma Gandhi and they said, इसको आप समझाइए. So Mahatma Gandhi, what he did, he told the kid कि बच्चे शुगर नहीं खाते, मीठा इतना नहीं खाते, इससे दांत टूटता है. Don't eat so much, it will spoil your teeth. तो पेरेंट्स हुए शॉक कि 2 दिन पहले क्यों नहीं बोला. ये अगर यही बोला था तो 2 दिन पहले बोल सकते थे. If he had to speak the same thing, could have said 2 days ago. So Mahatma Gandhi answered, 2 दिन पहले मैंने इसलिए नहीं बोला क्योंकि मैं खुद खा रहा था.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yeah.
So you don't feel that genuinity of talking when you're not doing it by yourself. So when you're talking about, there are a lot of talks in the market about network marketing. There are कहावत कि वो लोग बोलते हैं कि खुद स्प्लेंडर पे आए, हमको BMW के सपने दिखा के गए. There are a lot of sayings everywhere. Chain system, we this not. There are a lot of things. We need to understand which category we fall in. When people look at us, they should not even think anything wrong about the industry because it's a beautiful industry. But people think wrong because of what kind of progress we have shown. So I would always say, you first taste that figure. If you're talking about a lakh figure to someone else, I would say, focus on your goal, hit that 1 lakh first. That taste is crazy, I'm telling you. Because the day I had made my first lakh, I'm talking about 3 years ago, when I made my first lakh, believe me, even when I reached to 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs wasn't enough for me. So money is like that. So totally, if you go to see here, it all depends on you. It's you that is sold. I don't think 90% of people who joined me, they didn't even ask me the company's name. I just told them I got into it. Oh, so I think we should invest on ourselves. That's the major thing. That's the biggest thing to do. And believe in your product. Believe it. Believe what you're doing. No matter who is saying, what is saying, because it's the same guys who will pull you down today. After a year, they will say, मेरे को मालूम था तू कुछ बड़ा करेगा. These are the same guys.
Same guys, yeah.
And remember one thing, every single individual is enough. One guy is enough. Today, if you go to see the entire world, whenever biggest revolution has taken, it's one guy, which is enough. And I'll tell you one thing. What is your name, you said?
My name is Kiran.
Kiran. I'll tell you what exactly, how important Kiran is to me at the moment, okay? Let's take an example. Kiran joins in. Now Kiran is working. Kiran has a team of 50. This will grow humongous in a year. This will grow into 10,000.
Okay.
If Kiran quits today, he's basically spoiling 10,000 people's life already. That is how important you are. So remember one thing, once you're focused, once you know what you're doing, you should know what you're focusing at. Every single thing will turn around. These guys who are saying that I don't have money, I have commitment, everyone will come and ask you, अरे कैसे किया आपने? What was this? आप उसके बारे में कुछ बोल रहे थे पहले, मुझे अभी बताओ. This is how it's gonna be. So for that day, you gotta earn it. So if I conclude everything, number 1, invest on ourselves, our personality. Number 2, it is believing in the product. Number 3, believing that you can sell 20,000 is not a big amount to be sold. And number 4, learn about all the kind of facilities we are giving in that 20,000 fee, the value we are adding to someone's life. And the biggest reason what you should know, that person, what is his requirement? Who you're talking to? What does he require from you? Because anybody joins you in because of something, right? Now, if I like blueberry cheesecake, if I go fishing, I can't put blueberry cheesecake for the fish. Right? Everyone won't like the same thing. You might have joined to make more money. Somebody must have joined to make extra income. Maybe his dreams are travel. Hit that thing. Understand what the customer needs, what the person needs. So that's all. Like that's to sum it up, I guess. I hope I was able to answer your question.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Dave. Congrats once again. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thanks, Ashok. Over to you.
Thank you, Kiran. Dave, it was a wonderful session. So many points you have covered in this short duration. I just asked for an experience sharing, but you have covered everything. How to prospect, how people think 20,000 is a big amount. Of course, it's a big amount, but what makes this 20,000 smaller when you're
Special.
thinking about the bigger picture? Oh, so many points. It was actually a great insight for those who have joined. I think whenever you get time, anytime you should have such experience sharing with other teams also. It's a really
Sure.
honored to have you here. Anyway, നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിൽ നമുക്ക് ശരിക്കും നമ്മൾ ഭാഗ്യവാന്മാരാണ്. ദേവിനെ പോലെ ഈ ഒരു വലിയൊരു അച്ചീവറിനെ നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഷെയറിങ്ങിന് കിട്ടിയത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ നല്ലൊരു കയ്യടി ദേവിന് കൊടുക്കാം. Let us give a great round of applause to Dev for his wonderful experience sharing. I hope everybody is clear about our Million Club bonus. The aim should be by the end of this month, when you touch 31st of May, or when you complete your 60 days for the car bonus or whatever car fund that you're going to achieve, your target, you should actually write it in a big 44 font size in your mirror, bathroom, almare, wherever you can, that your dream or your if you are aiming for something, you should see that first. I hope everybody knows about law of attraction and other things. You all are experienced than me, so achieve that. It's not that difficult. If in 10 days, if Dev can become a gold producer, nothing is impossible. He's a true example, living example sitting in front of us. So Dev, once again, thank you. Rajesh bhai, thank you so for much, your wonderful. Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Rajesh bhai, for your wonderful session.
Thank you, Asham. Thank you, Asham. Thank you, Dev.
So all the leaders.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. See you.
Wow, great achievement, sir.
Okay, so we are winding up our session. Thank you, all the leaders. Achieve your targets, achieve your dreams. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, all of you. Good night.
Thanks, Ashwin. Good night. Thanks, everyone.